Tonight, Governor Polis is asking the White House to send more COVID vaccine to Colorado. He says our state needs 3 to 4 times what we're already getting.
Despite the gap, Colorado is seeing more promising signs in the fight against the pandemic. We begin with the latest data. 375,000 Coloradans have received their first vaccine dose. 82,000 have already gotten both. But there is no stockpile, so every dose that arrives is used as quickly as possible. We're also seeing progress in keeping Coloradans healthy. The 7-day positivity rate on testing is right around 5%. 644 people in the state are hospitalized, but we had triple that number less than 2 months ago. More than 4,700 people have died in Colorado, but that rate, thankfully, is slowing down steadily. The goal now, of course, to keep the trends headed in the right direction. In a moment, Alan Janae takes a look at the vaccination plan, certainly a key to stopping the spread. Andrea Flores at UC Health in Aurora. So, Andrea, what is Colorado doing right compared to other states?
That's a big question, and UC Health is playing a major role in getting mass vaccinations in our state. And I spoke with one doctor today who said it's not just vaccinations, but a combination of factors that's leading to the downward trend in our state.
We should be proud of the people that live in Colorado.
Colorado health experts are giving credit to Coloradans as the number of COVID cases continues to go down.
We've done a good job of listening to what we're supposed to do. I think maintaining those requirements is probably the most likely reason why we're seeing fewer cases.
Dr. Mark Moss, director of critical care at UC Health, says vaccinations are also playing an important role in reducing the risk.
Instead of one person infecting several, maybe that one person only affects one, and then the incidence will really start to go down.
But even if you get the vaccine, he says it doesn't mean you can't become infected or infect others.
It's a little unclear, even if you've been vaccinated, that maybe you could transmit it to someone else. If we abide by the other standards and get vaccinated, then this will all be behind us.
With a return to in-person learning in some districts and more relaxed COVID restrictions in certain counties, Dr. Moss believes people still need to be safe.
Maintain social distancing, wear masks, wash your hands, be careful.
Now, I reached out to CDPHE to get their perspective on why cases are on the decline, and they told me that Governor Polis is expected to speak in a news conference tomorrow where he will address health orders and also those vaccinations and how they're playing a role in the decline in positivity rates. Reporting live in Aurora tonight, I'm Andrea Flores covering Colorado First.